This is day 16 in the 30 days to a complete screenplay screenwriting sprint. We are going to be 45 pages in as of today. If you did your 5 pages a day, and maybe you're ahead, maybe you're behind a little bit, hopefully not. Today we're going to meet the pinch point. This is right about where the pinch point is going to happen. What a pinch point is, and basically what it says, is that there's going to be a pinch point midway through the first half of Act 2, which is really another act. There's going to be a pinch point right in the middle. There's going to be another one a little bit later. And what these do, these are big twists or plot reveals that change the story in a new direction. And the good thing to think about is that you really do need one of these every 15 minutes. We need some sort of plot reversal, something to keep the audience activated and excited. We want to have some sort of twist. So this is where we're going to put a little twist. It could be just we're going to make it harder on our protagonist. Another way to look at this, and I think this is a great way of looking at stories, is that you can break up your story into 8 sequences. It really is the same thing as 3-act structure, and each one about between 10 and 15 minutes long. And each one will end with a plot twist, some sort of reversal, some sort of twist that's going to move the story forward in a big way. In the pinch point of Matt Reeves, the Batman has gone along the journey and is investigating and trying to find the Riddler. He is led into where he finds a man strapped to a bomb about to explode. He tries to talk him down, and the bomb goes off, knocking the Batman across the room. And Batman wakes up in a police station, right? So it's made a lot harder. Batman has to knock out Commissioner Gordon, or pretend to punch Commissioner Gordon, and now the cops are after him, and he has an antagonistic relationship with the police from then on. And so therefore, what we're doing is we're making it harder on our protagonist with every turn. So the pinch is going to do that. So tomorrow we're going to learn what our character's problem is, what's wrong with them.